We are here to share the impacts of EPA's current emission standards and timelines on the tank truck industry and to the American people. As the tank truck industry pushes toward a zero-emission future, we're committed to doing our part. One of the most significant challenges is the sheer cost of electrification. Preparing today's commercial vehicle fleets would require an investment of over $620 billion in charging infrastructure alone. On top of that, utility companies and the government will need to invest an additional $370 billion to upgrade the distribution grid networks to meet the demands of commercial fleets. Policymakers need to address these financial challenges and infrastructure gaps to ensure that the transition to a zero-emission supply chain is obtainable, affordable, and scalable for the entire American economy.
We often hit weight limits long before we can fully utilize our cargo space due to the varying densities of bulk commodities. The additional weight of EV batteries will further add to this problem by significantly decreasing load capacity, which will drive up cost and hurt our overall efficiency. The added cost will be felt by the consumer and would add inflationary pressure. This will result in more trucks on the road to transport the same amount of product and, most concerningly, greater safety risks. Safety is our industry's #1 priority, and any solution must ensure that we are not compromising that commitment.
We have to consider the requirements from shippers and receivers. Some of them restrict the use of EV power units at their facilities due to safety concerns with hazardous commodities being loaded and unloaded, and this creates a significant barrier to integrate the necessary percentage of EVs, especially in states with stringent emissions goals like California.
Another major concern is the power takeoff systems used in our industry. Many pneumatic trailers rely on diesel-powered blowers to offload dry goods, while liquid haulers often use pumps that also require a power source. These operations demand significant energy, and current EV range calculations don't account for this additional load.
It's going to take a collective effort to overcome these challenges. To meet consumer demand, we would need more trucks, which increases operational cost. The high cost of EV power units, coupled with higher federal excise tax on those units, long wait times, and a lack of charging infrastructure, especially on remote routes, makes this transition difficult.
We're proud to be part of the Clean Freight Coalition and to focus on technology which will advance the tank truck industry. We're here to advocate for practical, effective solutions that will lead us to a zero-emission future. This transition isn't just about our industry. It's about the entire supply chain and the American consumer. By working together, industry leaders, policymakers, and regulators, we can develop policies that achieve our shared goal of a cleaner, more efficient transportation system.